Good morning, guys. This is Rusty 78609 at his tiny home in Fort Clark Springs, Texas. And for those of you that have a bathroom that has this little vent fan and heater and light combination, it took me forever to find this. Whenever it was really quiet in the bathroom, you'd hear this little thump, 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 and it was coming from up here. All right, but I couldn't see it. Okay, so I've taken everything off. I'll show you, and I won't be able to get it back together again. So you might as well get used to looking at this hole. I don't think I can get it back together. But anyway, that's the cover that goes up here. But I kept hearing this thump, 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 just a little thumping noise, and it didn't do it all the time. It would just do it intermittently, and then it'd stop, and then it'd start, and then it'd stop. This is a NuTone something, and you can get the numbers if you have one like this and you have the same issue. But what it is, and you will, I guarantee you, it's just pure luck that I happened to find it, because I have taken this thing completely apart. All right. Now, right up in here, if you can see, there's an opening right here. All right. Well, there's a little cover that I have in my hand because I jerked the damn thing out. Why did I jerk it out? Because this is the flap that was making that little, but it didn't do it all the time. The wind had to be just right or something. And you'd hear this little, you hear that, okay? I like to never found it, but I finally just made up my mind I was going to keep taking crap out till I finally found it. And that's it. I've got the flap in my hand, but that's, man, that's a vent that goes all the way out to the outside. And now I got to figure out how to get this back together. But if you have this type of deal, I pushed that off. That was a screwdriver. I pushed it off with my elbow. If you happen to have this type of bathroom heater vent thing, light, then now Rusty has found what's causing that little bloop, bloop, that little noise. Man, what a pain in the ass, huh? But anyway, now it's going to look like that probably from now on, because I don't think I can get it back together, man. God dang it. Anyway, enough said. Enjoy your day. But it's just those little things like that. I like to never found it, man. But it didn't do it all the time. You know what I mean? And that's the ones that get you. Anyway, enough said. Thumbs up, carpe diem, adios, bye-bye. If you have this thing in your bathroom, I found it. Bye. Use the Amazon link. Enjoy your life.